Hello and assalamu alaikum to all my viewers. Hope you all are fine. So today's the recipe I would like to share with you all is peri bites. The ingredient includes 5 to 6 chicken pieces, salt, black pepper, garlic and cumin. We need to boil that chicken and mix all the ingredients in boiling water. Boil until chicken gets dry and no water left. Now take out these chicken pieces into the bowl. Now it's time to shred the chicken into thin pieces, then add cheese, mayonnaise and black pepper and ready the mixture. So now take 5 to 6 chillies and clean it from inside that no seeds left inside the chillies. Now coat these chillies first with egg, then with breadcrumbs. Repeat the process. After coating, fry it on medium to high flame from both sides. That until it gets golden brown. So our chili is almost done here.